guys, welcome back to our channel. And again, with the help of science, we are going to be using bleach to make spooky t-shirts. Have you ever had a t-shirt ruined by bleach? Do you know why that happened? Power of oxidation. Bleach releases oxygen ion. Those ions then break down the coloring fabric. In other words, it breaks down the chromophores. So we see a color change. And you know what? We can use that. Let me show you. We are going to be using black t-shirts. You can use any dark colored t-shirt you want. And of course, bleach. Be careful while using bleach because it can harm your skin. Make sure you have a licensed adult. Be careful to not breathe it in and definitely do not drink it. Safety in science! We are using Halloween cutouts. You can use whatever cutout you want or even use a paintbrush to paint. We're using double-sided sticky tape to stick them on the t-shirt. And we made a solution of 10% bleach. Stick the side really well so the bleach doesn't stick underneath. If you're spraying the bleach by yourself, make sure to use a mask so you don't breathe any bleach in. We left this overnight and now we're gonna take the cutout out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video! And happy spooky Halloween!